So, the sales playbook, right? Yes, it's important to grow, hustle, and get where you want. But what is the methodology? What are the things that we got to kind of step back a little bit, think about it, prepare ourselves, train ourselves and our team. Make sure that your target customers are very clearly in your head. You got it written down. You create your buyer personas. And what I mean by how to qualify customers is be careful about what are the kind of customers you want to work with, and also who you do not want to work with. Do not work with people who could be toxic, who are difficult, who are just going to lead you down the garden path and never give you business. Be very, very cautious about that. Yes, you must be very clear about your industry. Who are my target customers? Jagat, for you as well, right? And we had this conversation 15, 20 minutes back at the time Bangalore business mentoring session. Video, market automation, video automation, a lot of people need this, and you want to make sure that you get it right and you get the people who will pay you. So I know that you're going to be talking about that in a little bit while. So I just want to take the conversation to that angle as well as we discuss this further. You have to give value to your customers. You got to have your sales methodology, and please, this is something that I remind myself also all the time. If we don't have good looking emails, we don't have proper scripts, we don't have these frequently asked questions and everything sorted out in advance, we are destined to fail. Okay, so please, whatever happens, we must be ready with the perfect sales templates, the perfect scripts. We must have the confidence to understand that these are the kind of questions, the pushbacks, the whatever the differences of opinion that will come up, and we must be ready for it. When I say competitive intelligence, and what I mean by that is that, see, for all of us, we must know what is our competition doing. And it's not just because we want to know what they're doing, but what are they doing for the customer? Can we solve the pain point of the customers better? Can we give even more value? Can we make sure that when we are with the customers, we're building the trust, we're building the goodwill, and we're solving the problems? Yes, it is all good to say that, but you got to be pricing yourself competitively. You got to have very beautifully done proposals. Those proposals, obviously, there has to be a legal aspect to it as well, and you must make sure that that is all sorted out. Sales team, of course, I want to stress on this. As a founder, you will do sales first. You will bring in customers first. You will be working in the trenches, working with your sales team even as you grow, at least for the first few months or 6 months, because that is the most critical thing. Okay. Then once you get the closures done, you have your templates, you have your playbooks, you have your scripts ready, your people are ready, you have a brilliant sales team, then you can take a slightly step back. But however busy you are, you're building your product, you're building whatever else you're trying to do, sales is such an important part because money is a lifeline. What are the critical elements? The elevator pitch. You have only 45 seconds or 1 minute to make an impression. Please make sure your elevator pitch is right there. Solve pain points. That is such a critical thing. We did talk about buyer personas. We talked about giving value. Be ready to counter any kind of objections. And one of the big skill sets that anyone has is qualifying questions. Will this customer be willing? Will they keep going on for another 90 days or 120 days? Can you close within 15 days, 30 days? Or if you have a SaaS model, can you just bring them on board, make them pay, and you're ready to go? Simple stuff, but some things that we really must pay attention to, okay? Some of the things that I'm talking about also is this graphics, videos, make it very compelling. Today we're on video. We're sitting here, we're all remote, we're in our homes, we're in our offices, we're traveling, but we're talking, we're absorbing, we're exchanging notes. We had Ravi coming and saying hi. We had Ashok coming and say hi. Jagat and we were talking to Archana. We're doing this because of video, right? So if you don't have beautiful graphics and if you don't have video, if you don't really practice how you're going to talk to your ideal customer, to your audiences, and you're able to handle the questions, you tell the right stories, you make an impression, you convince them that we are the people who know and understand your pain points and we can solve it and give you value. That's what you have to convey. And today you must use video.